This video is about my decision to go back to the original generator on the car. I have a 1960 Thunderbird. It was originally, the motor had been upgraded to an alternator, and I had been noodling through, and one of the decisions that forced me that way was I bought new harnesses, and they were set up for the generator. So I decided to go back to the generator, and I'm sort of a purist anyways. I want to make the car exactly how it was, and the parts are available. So off to the left here is a generator that I bought off of eBay, and it had the brackets. I wasn't certain if I had the right brackets or not. But this generator here, it's got a bent pulley on it. It wouldn't be a good core. I can't even remember what I paid for. I know I didn't pay that much, but I thought I would buy it even if it was just for the brackets. And over here is the new generator that I ended up buying. You look inside that generator. Look at that. It's rebuilt really nice. And also it has the key here, which came with it, and also the pulley and a new nut and washer. As you can see over here, if I had to take these off, I would be in pretty bad trouble. Wouldn't be able to use the pulley. So it was nice with this generator. I bought this from Pat Wilson, and they had the part, and it came within a week, and I've been very pleased with them. And I also bought a voltage regulator for the generator setup, which also came from them. What I found when I was searching around for generators, everybody, of course, wanted a core, and this old core over here wouldn't have been usable, so I would have to ship it. Probably cost me $50 to ship it. And it turns out with Pat Wilson, he wanted only $50 for the core, so I ended up not doing the core side of it. And it turned out to be pretty slick, especially with the pulley coming with it. The other ones I was looking at, they didn't come with a pulley. It only came with a generator. Of course, they all wanted a core charge. And so it was $150 for that generator, $50 for the core charge. So I thought it was a reasonable price. The other ones seemed to be even higher. So I wanted to give you a little update of my decision to go with the original generator, brand new, rebuilt, and let you know that how things were going. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And also in the description below is the link to all my videos, which includes video 17, where I was talking about the harnesses and noodling through whether I was going to use a generator. Thank you.